Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Fun with Prisha. I found a story called My Name. I thought it's very funny and interesting, so I thought let's read it together. Let's get started. My Name. Once there was a little fly. One day he could not remember his name. So the fly in the picture, he could not even remember his name. He tried and tried to remember it, but it was of no use. He had forgotten his name. Poor fly, he forgot his name. He asked an ant, "Ant, do you know my name?" The ant said, "I don't know. You may ask the tree I climb." So the fly asked an ant, but the ant did not know his name. So the ant said, "You can ask the tree I use to climb." The fly said, "Dear tree, do you know my name?" The tree said, "I don't know. You may ask the cow sleeping on my shade." So now the tree said to the fly, "I even don't know. You can ask the cow that is sleeping in my shade." The fly went near the cow and asked, "Dear cow, do you know my name?" The cow said, "I don't know. You may ask the grass I eat." Now the fly has to ask the grass the cow eats, because the cow doesn't know. The fly went to the grass and asked, "Dear grass, do you know my name?" The grass said, "I don't know. You may ask the leaves fallen on top of me." So now the fly has to ask the leaves that are falling on the grass, because the grass doesn't know. The fly asked one of the leaf fallen on the grass, "Dear leaf, do you know my name?" The leaf was about to answer when the wind blew. Oh man! The leaf began to fly. Seeing this, the fly remembered his name. "My name is Fly. My name is Fly," he said happily. Yay! He finally remembered his name. The leaf was just about to answer, but the wind blew it away. And that means the leaf was flying, and the fly's name was Fly. Now, question for you. Do you know your name? If yes, write it in the comments box. If no, then ask your parents and then write it in the comment box. Bye bye!